Following the recent incidents in Bangladesh, there has been a lot of counterproductive and very much provocative the efforts by the ruling RSS BJP and their outfits, the Hindu Jagaran Manch and Vishwa Hindu Parishad in the state of Tripura. As the people of the subcontinent, they are already in the new that in Bangladesh during the last Durga Puja festival, in one of the districts of Bangladesh at Kumilla, there in one puja pandal, the Quran Sharif was found. And finally, how it was conspired, how it has happened, the Bangladesh police has already unearthed it, that from a section of the communal elements to create the communal flare-up, that attempt was made. And that culprits, and behind this incident in Bangladesh, which other forces that tried to create the all law and order situation, they were challenged by the Bangladesh government. And there also very much positive sign this time. Ever since the Bangladesh liberation, it has been witnessed that thousands of common people, peace-loving people, and very particularly the left organization spearheaded by the Workers' Party of Bangladesh and Communist Party of Bangladesh and other left political and social organizations in almost in all cities and districts of Bangladesh, they have rallied against these divisive forces. And Bangladesh government has also compelled to take action. And some few thousands, those who have indulged into this violence, etc., they were arrested, and the main culprit, they are booked. But following this incident, very unfortunately, what we have witnessed in the state of Tripura, there simultaneously, when that Puja festival was going on, same the Puja here in other side of the border here in Tripura also, it is a big festival in this region. The outfits of the Sangh Parivar, initially through social media and other platform, they tried to vitiate the total environment. Then after Dussehra, there in some pockets, which pockets are inhabited by the minority communities. In the state of Tripura, there are 9% population of the minority communities. Purposely, these organizations, they have brought out the rallies and carried the very venomous campaign against the minorities, provocating to create the law and order situation and communal flare-up. And there we have seen that one minister, some 2 or 3 MLAs, and the front-ranking, the BJP leaders, they are involved, their cadres are involved. But the positive thing is that in Tripura also, there we have seen that as part of the tradition of the state of Tripura, the social culture of Tripura, thousands of peoples across the state, indiscriminating the caste, creed, faith, etc., they have stood against this design of the creating all violence. That's why, though they are provocative and like in other cases, we have found that the civil administration, the police administration, they are not that proactive because of their indulgence and silence. This Vishwa Hindu Parishad and the Hindu Jagaran Manch, they got the space, but people in general, they were very much vigilant. They opposed it. That's why, though there were provocations, but nothing that kind of any incidents happened, barring one incident there in Roa in North Tripura district, where around 10 shops and dwelling houses were gutted and vandalized, and here and there some other business houses, etc. It has been looted or like that, but nothing as such, any major thing happened. But very unfortunately, there are the same kind of the elements are there among the others also, in other side also. There were a rumor that the mosques, that is religious places also gutted, arson. But as such, it is not happened like that. That is completely lie, rumor, and it is designed to further aggravate the situation. And now finally, that the state government led by the BJP and IPFT, they have been compelled to come out with this statement from Chief Minister, one MP who is minister at the center, she also have to give the statement, etc., against this incidents, etc. So now the situation is under control. Though initially, because of their indulgence, it has happened. Now, why this has happened? Why this ruling party, they have indulged into such activities against the law and order, against the peace and harmony? Why this has happened? Actually, the reason behind is that the BJP IPFT alliance government in the state of Tripura, they are very much isolated from the people because of their misrule of last 43 months. During last 43 months, they have done nothing in the state of Tripura. What commitment they have made during last assembly election, not a single one has been implemented or fulfilled. Rather, numerous anti-people stand or policies they have adopted, because of why there are huge commotion among the local people, among the people in general. And now, in the midst of this situation, on last 23rd of this month, the election of the civic bodies, urban bodies have been declared. So, the ruling alliance, particularly BJP, they have been, that is, anticipating that the annoyance of the voters, annoyance of the public, it will be reflected in this election. Though, like the elections held during last 43 months, it has been totally rigged and free and fair election was not conducted during last 43 months under this rule. That may be resisted, and they are apprehending that will be resisted by the common people. So, they have designed this thing, taking the advantage of the situation, that incident in Bangladesh, to vitiate the environment further. They took it as a tool or advantage to divert the people's attention, people's commotion, and out of that to exploit the election again. This is their attempt. So their I would like to say, we the lab parties, CPIM in particular, from the very beginning, we are very much vigilant to this situation. Everywhere, our cadres, our rank, they rush to the spot and try to maintain the harmony. And yesterday also, our MLA Islamuddin and another MLA Vijitanath in Dharmanagar and our another MLA in Kailashahar, he is also hailing from the minority community, along with the others in administration. They have visited all the places wherever this kind of provocation are there. And the civilians, the common people, we are receiving overwhelming support from them to maintain this peace and to throttle the design of the RSS BJP. So this is the state of Tripura. The common people, the people in general, and with the lab parties, we are very, very much vigilant. And by this, the heinous act of the dubious act of this ruling party, BJP, and their outfits, they have further got isolated from the people. This is the state of the situation till today with regard to that incidents happened in Bangladesh, and the people, we are very much aware of it.